Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my session B2B placement. In today's video, I'm going to cover questions from 16th August. So this slot is already completed. For the July and August 2nd, we already covered all those slot questions in my previous video. If you guys have missed that video, watch it. All the videos are available in my playlist. It's day 20 guys. We completed 19 different videos on especially Accenture. We covered topic wise, we covered previous year questions also. If you guys interested to learn all the concepts from our channel, watch it. All the links are available, guys. And follow us in Instagram, Telegram, and Facebook. Links are available. You can join in WhatsApp channel also. So you can check the link in my description. So hi. So Karthik Sai, hi. Very good. Manideep, see for Accenture, they majorly focus on reasoning part. Profit and loss boards problem is maximum they won't give any questions. But what I observed in the 2023 slot, they given two questions from aptitude in the concept of data sufficiency. But other than that slot, so there is no question from the quantitative aptitude. Yes. So without any delay, let's start our session. Guys, try to solve these questions and post your answer in the comment section. So here the question number one is all about number series. So try to solve it and post your answer, guys. Guys, if you guys are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and share this information with your friends who are preparing for the different competitive examinations. Definitely, our content will help their preparation, guys. There is no questions from aptitude. So maybe they given either one question or two questions from data sufficiency only. So no need to go for any quantitative aptitude topics. So focus on reasoning. In reasoning, we have three sections: critical reasoning, problem solving, and the third one is all about visual part. Now here the question see 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, 8, 27, 11. What can be the next number? 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, 8. Guys, in any number series, if you are not understand the sequence, like you can't get 1 become a 2, 2 become a 3, 3 become a 5. If you are not understand the sequence, my suggestion verify alternatively, guys. See, verify 1, 3, 9, 27. If you know the logic, you will get the missing number. See, can I consider this is the value of 3 power 0, here 3 power 1, 3 square, 3 cube, and this is all about 3 power 4, here the missing number is 81. It's an alternative pattern. If you check with the remaining one, for example, it's a difference of 3 units. It's a difference of 3 units. If it is a difference of 3 units, if you want further, so again add plus 3, then it becomes 14. So here the answer is 81. 81 is the correct answer. Monica, Khan, very good. So move on to the question number 2. Now coding and decoding concept. So in a certain code language, if the word kinder is coded as 216, radar is coded as 125, then how the word master is coded in that language? Guys, please like our video. If you like our video, it reaches to the maximum number of people. Guys, observe the numbers here. So they coded with 216. It was coded with 125. Observe the numbers. Don't go through the alphabetical positions. Don't apply all the mathematical operations. It's a time waste. Observe the numbers. Here, Kinder is represented 216 and Radar is represented 125. And both are belongs to the perfect cube numbers. So here the logic is all about cube numbers. So here we have a 6 alphabets. Cube of that number it become 216. We have a reader 5 letters, 5 cube is equal to 125. Here master is a 6 letter word, 6 cube is equal to 260. Here the logic is number of letters whole cube, guys. Number of letters and cube of that number become the logic. 216 is the correct answer. to the next question. Again, one question from the number series concept. Now see here the numbers. Find the next number. Here the numbers 6.2, 4.8, 3.4, 2. Tell me that which number you can get after 2. Yes. So if you observe that here the difference between 6.2 and 4.8 is 1.4. Again, it's a common difference of 1.4. Again, 1.4. Every time they are subtracting 1.4 units from the first number. So if you want the missing number, just subtracted 1.4 from 2, then it becomes 0.6. Shakti, Razi, Khan, Superman. It's 0.6 is the correct answer. Next. So this is all about embedded. We solved few questions in yesterday's session also. Embedded is all about identify the hidden figure. It means where you can see this picture. So this is the first, second, third, and fourth. Give me the answer. Guys, most of the students they choose three, but it is a wrong. Why? Because see, you can able to see top shape, guys, but you can't see these particular line. See, we require these lines also. It makes an angle of 90 degrees. Definitely three is wrong answer. Still, I remember that most of the students they choose wrong option. Three is not answer, guys. Why? Because see, you can able to see that shape in figure one. I will show you for your reference. This is the perfect picture you can able to see in the options. So here option is C. You can see that shape in figure number one. Next, next. Go through this question from seating arrangement. Now see we have total 6 persons sitting in a row facing north, not necessary in the same order. It is known that we have some information. See, once you are done with the arrangement, here the question you have to answer. Find the position of C with respect to A. Now see, total we have to arrange 6 persons. For your reference, I am taking the numbers. And all are facing north. So here sixth position is extreme right and first position is extreme left. Go through the information. A is adjacent to B and C. We are not sure with the position. A is adjacent to B and C. So let's take the note point. D sits fourth to the right of F. So fourth to the right of F. Let's fix that F here. 1, 2, 3, fourth. Fourth right you have to confirm D. Possibility number 2. Let's take F here. 1, 2, 3, 4. D is the fourth to the right of F. We are done with that point. Next one. Only one person sit between C and D. Okay. We have to arrange only one person sit between C and D. And B sits somewhere right of E. Guys, we require B is somewhat right of E. So this is the information we have in the data. Let's fix the remaining information. See, we need three adjacent positions. That is only possible here. B or C, A, B or C. So here we have a possibility B or C, A, B or C. Why? Because A is adjacent to both B or C. B and C, not or. B and C. There is a one person between C and E. So in this possibility, you can conclude it C here, E here. So we can confirm B. Same, there is a one person between C and E. We can confirm B also. With the help of this point, you can eliminate one of the possibility. They clearly mention that B is somewhere right of E. So if you go through this possibility, in possibility number one, you will get E is right of B. So it is eliminated. So according to the data, we require B is right of A. So we can eliminate top possibility, and this is the exact one. Now here the question, find the position of C with respect to F. We require C with respect to F. If you observe that, that is immediate right position. Immediate right. It's immediate right, Nana. So here C is immediate right of F. That is the condition. Next, complete this picture. So this is all about figure completion. Guys, I told you in the last session, figure completion, don't go for the extension. Go through that reflection concept. Extension takes time, guys. If you understand the reflection means it's all about mirror image and motor image concept. So just reflect that picture, you can able to get that answer. If you reflect that heat, definitely we required V shape. So we require this V shape. If you observe that, see A possible according to this right side V. So 2 is not possible. Why? Because it is not at the vertex point. So that's why 2 eliminated. Again 3 is all eliminated, not moving towards the vertex. So 4 can be also possible. In the same way, we required one more south V, guys. So the vertex is pointing towards south. We have it two options. If you observe that, you can eliminate A. Why? Because this is the line not touches the vertex point. That's why suitable answer is 4. Very good. Next question from Silox. Bhuvana Khan, very good. Priyashi, yes, very good. Nana. Keep going. So here are the statements and which of the conclusions are follows. All cranes or excavators, all excavators are bulldozers. Guys, I told you if all the circles are within the another circle, here the comparison, if comparison goes for inside to the outside, remember that both all comma sum conclusions are always valid. If you compare inner to the outer object. If anything is compared with outer object to the inner object, only sum is valid conclusion. Check with the options here. Some bulldozers are cranes. Some bulldozers are cranes. Cranes is a possible case. Yes, it's a correct one. It's an inside comparison. Inside arrow is always sum. No, you never get, guys. I told you many times if the statements are positive, you never get any negative conclusion. So, conclusion one is follows. Next, understand this flowchart. Now, see, determine which value can be assigned to the n if the output we require green. So, understand the flowcharts here. It starts, enter the positive integers n. You have to pick this number from the options. After that, A says n plus 1, B says 2 into n minus 3. So here the condition you should understand that is A plus B is equal to 10. If it is a S, they can be print green. If it is a no, we require red and the programming goes end. But they clearly mention that we required output is green. So which of the following value of n? So let us take the option verification here. Let us take n is equal to 2. If n is equal to 2, then A is equal to 3. Then what about the B value here? If B value, you will get minus of 2, guys. Why? Because 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 2 is equal to minus 2. So definitely A plus B is not equal to 10. Definitely it says that it's going to print red. That's why this is invalid. So if n is equal to 3 is also not possible. Let's verify that n is equal to 4. So if n is equal to 4, definitely a is equal to 5. Then what about b? 2 into, here 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Again a plus b you will get exactly equal to 7. So again, if you take n is equal to 4, it's going to be print red only. According to the statement, which is the suitable value of n to get output is green. So definitely suitable value is 5. Let me take here, if n is equal to 5, then a is equal to 6, then b is equal to 2 into 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So definitely it's going to be print 10. According to the 10 is satisfied, then that going to be printed green. Is it clear? It's a simple flowchart, guys. Next, move on to the next question from coding and decoding. Now see, in a certain code language, if vertex is coded as TMPQRU and Zenith is coded as XCLFQE, what is the letter represented with a certain code language? See, 22nd letter, 15th letter, 18th letter, 20th letter, 5th letter, 24th letter. And T is 20, M is 13, P is 16, Q is 17, R is 18, and U is 21. If you observe here, it's a minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 3. Vertex E is the fifth letter, and QR is 18th letter. Again, it is minus 3. If you verify for Zenith, ZENITH, let me verify. 26th letter, 5th letter, 14th letter, 9th letter, 20th letter, 8th letter. So it's all about 24, 3, 12, 6, Q is 17, E is 5. So first three letters is minus 2, next three letters is minus 3. I think so. This is not fifth one. This is 24th, 21st. So instead of E, it should be a P. So typing error, guys. Please excuse for that. Now let's go through the letter. 12th letter minus of 2, we require 10th letter must be J. Fifth letter minus of 2, we require third letter is C. 20th letter minus of 2 is equal to 18th letter is R. So we require JCR. 20th letter minus of 3, then we have to take 17th letter is Q. Then suitable answer is D. Very good. Next. Again, question from embedded. Identify the hidden picture. Now don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. So if you like our video, it reaches to the maximum people. They will get benefit from our channel. So please share this information with your friends or any WhatsApp groups. So definitely we will come up with more live sessions in your upcoming placement exams. Now if you observe the picture where you can see that shape, guys, most of the students they choose 3, but it is a invalid. It's a wrong option. Let me repeat, guys. See, if you observe that there is a no center, there is a no center. The line is break here. See, if you observe that the line is not, so we don't have any straight path here. See, if you observe the picture, this is the complete line. But if you observe the picture number 3, there is a break here. That's why 3 is not a suitable answer. Now, if you go through that, then the suitable answer is fifth picture, guys. I hope you can able to see that shape. Third one is not a suitable answer. It's fourth picture. Is it clear? Please let me know in the comment section. Here the reason for not 3, if you observe that you can't see this entire line. Here the line is break, guys. So suitable answer is fourth picture. Yes. Next, guys, this is my Instagram. If you scan, you can get my channel name Vision to Victory and follow us and support and share this information with your friends also. Next, mark the odd one out in the given options. Out of four, which one is completely different? Odd one is all about three are similar, one is different. You have to identify that. So which one is different? Now see BDG. So second letter, fourth letter, seventh letter. F sixth letter, H eighth letter, K 11th letter. O15, Q17, T20. M14, 16, and 20. If you observe that NPT is completely different. Why? Because see, this is plus 2 plus 3. If you observe the remaining three options, it follows same pattern. But 14, 16, 20 does not follow the same pattern. It follows plus 2 plus 4. That's why NPT is completely different than remaining. Find the next number. 12, 20, 33, 51. Find the next one. Finally, it's a 102. Try to answer this question. Guys, if you go through that, if all the numbers are nearer, just find the difference. Here the 8 units. Here the difference is 13 units. If you go through that, it's a difference of 33 and 51 is 18 units again. Again, if you go for one more difference, again 5 is the common. So this is all about single difference. So this is all about double difference. So again, we have to add 5 units. Now it becomes 23. If 23 is added to the 51, 51 plus 23, then the answer becomes 74. 74 is the suitable answer. Very good. Next, guys, this is my Telegram channel. Search V2VVK. You can get my channel, Vision to Victory. After this live session, I will update this PDF in Telegram only, guys. If you have any queries, feel free to reach us through either Telegram or Instagram. And this is my Telegram page. Search V2VVK. You can get my channel. Next, on to the next question. Now see here the information. Some bulbs are LEDs. Some LEDs are tube lights. Guys, remember that if statements are positive, you never get any negative conclusion. Directly, you can eliminate that option. So we have another conclusion. Some tube lights are bulbs. Some tube lights are bulbs. If you observe that there is no direct relation between those two circles, again it is invalid. But most of the students they want to choose that option is neither nor. But before choosing neither nor concept, identify the concept of complementary pair. See what is complementary pair? They are talking about same objects, some tube lights. They are talking about tube lights and bulbs. Again, they are talking about tube lights and bulbs. Remember that in any complementary pair concept, we required similar objects. Similar objects. Point number one. Point number two, you already verify that is individually wrong. So case one means conclusion one is wrong and conclusion two is also wrong. If two options means if two objects are similar, individually wrong, by combined together, if it satisfy any one of the complementary pair. See, we have a three complementary pairs. First complementary pair is some comma no or no comma some. Second one is some comma some not. Third one is all comma some not. These are the three complementary pairs. If any conclusion satisfy one of the complementary pair, then you have to choose your answer is either or. Why? Because in our conclusion, they are talking about some comma no. Objects are similar, individually wrong. By combined together, it satisfies one of the complementary pair. Then you have to choose your answer is either or. Don't forget this concept. Next, try this question again. Find the odd one out. Possibility is different statement. We can say that see, some tubelights are bulbs are possibilities. In conclusion number one, there is a possibility. Possibility is different than normal statement, normal conclusion. See, all comma some conclusions we require direct overlappings in the picture. But if you can't see that overlapping, that's why we can say it's a wrong conclusion. Possibility means they given like maybe, like can be, or possibility. Those kind of words they are given in the conclusions. Otherwise, it's a direct statement. So if the statement is there, so definitely that conclusion follows. If statement is not available with that information, conclusion never follows. Next, guys. So here the wrong option. If you observe that, see K L M E F G C D E T U V. If you observe that option number one, they are come up with a new letter. See, here 2 is 1 F 1 2 Z. That's the sequence C D E. 2 C is D 2 E T U V. But if you observe that K K L M M we required, but instead of M M they given as M N. That's why here A is different. A is wrong answer here. Select the correct alternative to indicate the arrangement of following words in a logical and meaningful order. Logical and meaningful order. So what is the correct order, guys? Now see chapter, word, letter, phrase, paragraph, and sentence. See first definitely it is starts with a letter. So starts with a letter, eliminate B. So combination of letters are words. So first one is 3, second one is 2. Next combination of words. So combination of words is phrase or sentence or paragraph. So definitely Combination of sentence is combination of sentence is phrases. Then it become a paragraph. Finally, it become a chapter. Then the suitable answer is C. That is a meaningful order, guys. Very good. Priya, Shri, Shakti, student, Razi, Kamalakar, Khan. Very good. Keep going. Keep going. Try to solve more questions. Don't worry. We are come up with more content. Let's see that. Find the analogy. So identify the relation between 36 and 49. So it satisfies which of the following options? So here the relation between 36 and 49 both are perfect square numbers. This is all about 6 square. This is all about 7 square. Now if you observe that this is 5 square and 8 square, that is not in the sequence. So this is all about 6 square, 4 square and 6 square. Again, it is not in the sequence. So 17 square is 289, 18 square is 324. Yes, it follows the main information. That's why 289, 324 is the perfect relation. Analysis is all about similarity. So here the suitable answer is C. Nana. Is it clear? Very good. Next. Guys, try to solve this question and post your answer in the comment section after this live session. You have to identify that what is odd one out. Lawyer, doctor, engineer, and education. Understand that information and find the odd one out of these four. And just comment this answer after the live session. So we'll move to the next question. Next. See, there are the following four pairs are like in a certain way. One is different. Find the odd one out. So which one is odd one out? 8, 20, 10, 25, 18, 81, 12, 36. Yes. So try to comment means post your answer in the comment section. I will check your comments now. Logic also. I need logic. Why you are choosing this one as a wrong one? 820, 1025, 1881, and 1236. So can anyone tell me that why it is out or not? I need your explanation also. I got different options here. Someone chooses A, D, C also. But I need your logic. Please comment there. 820, 1025, 1881, 1236. See, again, I need your answers. See, I got the different options. So number is multiplied with a 2 is equal to number square. Guys, super is odd. Very good, Nana. Can't pronounce your number, but super. That's a very good logic. If 4 into 2, 5 into 2, 9 into 2, 6 into 2. So that's it, right? 4 into 2 is equal to 8, 5 into 2 is equal to 10, 9 into 2 is equal to 18, 6 into 2 is equal to 12. If you take this number 6 square, so then it becomes 36. It's a right. 9 square is 81. Yes, it's right. 5 square is 25. Yes, right. If you go through that 4 square, we required 16. Instead of 16, they given as 20. Very good, Nana. I can't pronounce your name, but I am really impressed with your logic. Super, Nana. Are you clear with this answer, Nana? Please let me know in the comment section. Are you clear? It's a wonderful logic. See, odd one means you can go through that any operation. I need one option is completely different than remaining three. So if you observe that BCD follows the same rule, but A does not follow the same rule. That's why A is odd one out. Next, try this question. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and like our videos also and share this information with your maximum number of people. So here, select the option that is related to the third term in the same way as second term is related to the first term. See, analogy means it's all about similarity. See, what is the similarity you observe and apply the same here, you will get one of the option. Yoga said one. Why? Why it is a one yoga? Same. Can anyone tell me the logic also for this question? This is also very good question. It's a good one. Karthik said D. But I need your explanation. We are dealing with the logics, guys. Maybe these questions are not repeated, but if you learn the approach, definitely that approach is always repeated in any examination. I always believe that you have to learn more and more. If you solve more and more questions, you will get that logic within a second, guys. If you go through that any examination, that's why learn the logics, practice more questions. So, can anyone tell me the logic here? Digital sum, super nana. See, most of the students they thought that they are trying to find the difference, apply the same difference here, but maybe you can miss the option. Sometimes most of the students they choose none of these. It doesn't work. If you see huge number like a four-digit number or five-digit number, apply that digital sum concept. If you go through that 6 plus 4, 10, so total sum value is 14. If you go through the same sum here, you will get 14. Same way, here the sum value is 15. We required which of the following options sum gives the 15. So that is the only satisfied with option A. 6 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2. So here the sum value is equal to 15. Yes, option A is the correct one. Very good, Nana. Razi's yoga, very good. Priyashi, super, Nana. Super. Next, go through this question. Now see, guys, if you see more than two dice, you just go through the elimination. So here the point you should remember that any adjacent numbers cannot be opposite. If you see more than two dice, there is no proper concept here. If you see any two adjacent numbers cannot be opposite. Let's check with this 426, 156, and 345. We need to identify that what is the opposite of 2. Guys, opposite of 2 is not 4, not opposite of 2 is not 6. So it's not at all possible. So before that, my suggestion you can pick the most repeated number that is not at all repeat. Means see, here 6 is repeated twice, 5 is repeated twice, but 2 is repeated only once. Let's try to find that what can be the opposite of 6. See, opposite of 6 is not 5, not 1. Not 5, not 1. Not 5, not 1. Opposite of 6 is not 2, not 4. Guys, if you observe that, not a 5, not a 1, not a 2, not a 4, definitely 6 is opposite to 3. We can confirm in this way. 6 must be opposite to the 3. Is it clear? Why? Because any adjacent never be opposite. See, 5 not opposite, 1 not opposite, 2 not opposite, 4 not opposite. We are eliminating 4. So, if you're eliminating 4 options, so definitely 3, 6 is opposite to each other. Let's find that next number, 5. See, 1 is not opposite number, 6 is not opposite number. So we have 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. So we have these three options. So 5 is not opposite to the 1. 5 is not opposite to the 4. Then you can conclude it that 2 and 5 is opposite to each other. According to the question, 2 must be opposite to the 5. Please let me know in the comments. Are you clear with this explanation? Or shall I repeat once? Simple point. Any adjacent never be a opposite. Is it clear? Can you go for next question? So repeat. Okay, Rana. See, if you want to solve any questions from dice, if more than two dice, are given, eliminate the options with the help of one information. Any adjacent, any adjacent never be opposite. So there is a no possible it become a opposite. Now observe that if you stick with the three dice 2, 4, 6, 5, 1, 6, 4, 3, 5. Let's take one of the repetition. Let us take 5. See what is the opposite of 5? Either it can be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. These are the 5 possibilities we have. We will verify with the die 2. I told you guys, any adjacent never be opposite. Means 5 is not at all opposite to the 1, 5 is not at all opposite to the 6. We can eliminate those two numbers. Next, we can compare die 3. 5 is means again 3, 4 are adjacent to the 5. So 3, 4 are adjacent means there is a no chance it become a opposite. So we are eliminating 4 numbers. We can conclude that 5 and 2 is opposite to each other. In the same way, we are taking 6. Why? Because 6 is repeated twice in die 1 and die 2. So what are the possibilities we have? So 6 is opposite to either 1, 3, 4. These are the three possibilities we have. Let's compare die 1. See, 6 is not at all opposite to the 2 and 4. Why? Because 2 and 4 are adjacent to each other. It never be opposite. Now I am taking die 2. If you take a die 2, again 6 is adjacent to 5 and 1. Means 6 is never be the opposite of 1. So finally we can conclude that 3 and 6 is opposite to each other. Now 2 and 5 is opposite to each other, 3, 6 is opposite to each other. Then finally we have only one number. So what are that number? 1 and 4 is opposite to each other. We can conclude all the opposite pairs in the same comparison. According to the question, what is opposite of 2? Opposite of 2 is 5. Now, is it clear? Priyashi, Razi, Yoga, please let me know. Is it clear? Right, we have a 6 numbers now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only. Those 6 numbers which are placed in different surfaces. We are identified through comparison. Next, again embedded. Select the figure which is embedded in the given figure, where you can see that shape. Suitable option. Now, where you can see that exact shape. C is the correct answer. You can see that shape here. I will represent. Now, C is the correct answer. Very good. Next. Now you just tell me which one is incorrect. Wrong number series. Very good, Nana. Kiran, Vidya. So try to answer this question. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and share this information with your friends also. Like our videos. If you like our videos, it reaches to the maximum people. So we will come up with more content in your upcoming examinations. So once you subscribe, press bell icon. You never miss any updates from our channel. So you can directly notify once I started in live session. Now see here the wrong numbers. 3. Again, see if you are not understand the sequence, I told you verify alternative. 3, 7, 9, 13, 15. So here the difference of 4 units. 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2. Yes, it's a correct sequence. 7, 11 plus 4, 11, 13 plus 2, 13, 17 plus 4. We required plus 2. So instead of 23, we required 19. That's why 23 is also now. Next, from direction concept. Abhijit leaves his house, move 30 meters northwest direction. Then he goes 30 meters in southwest direction. Next, he moves 30 meters southeast direction. Then he moves 30 meters in northeast direction. How far away he is from the house? Guys, while solving any directions, remember this point. Irrespective of what you are facing, right is always be the east. Right hand. This is the reference number one. If you facing something, it is always be the north. It means see, represent the directions. This is all about east. Opposite of east is west. It goes up north, goes down south. Between northeast, between southeast, this is southwest, northwest. Now go through that information. According to the point here, Abhijit leaves his house, moves 30 meters northwest. From here, northwest, 30 meters. Then goes 30 meters in southwest. So this is southwest, northwest, southwest. Here again they covered 30. And again southeast, southeast. And finally northeast. So here the distance is same every time he covered. So he starts at one point and reaches to the same point. So what is the distance between the points means it's a 0 meters. Finally he's at 0 position. Very good. Next. Now see here division means plus, into means division, plus means minus, minus means into. The value of following expression 16. Minus means multiplication. Plus means minus. Multiplication means division. Division means plus. While go through the simplification, you have to follow the Bodmer's rule. Now say 3 exactly 4 times. 16 into 4 is 64. Minus of 4 plus 5. It becomes 65. That's it. Easy simplification. Next. Again select the mirror image. See, mirror image is all about projection of any object either right side or left side. It become mirror image. I just want to tell you one more point. Out of 26 letters, remember that you can expect a direct question. How many letters which are same in the mirror? So remember that out of 26 letters, 11 letters which are same in the mirror. Mirror image and photo image. It's all about the reflection. See, 90% of non-verbal questions you can solve through mirror image concept. See, majorly remember that according to the side, right become a left, left become a right. But up and down does not change. According to the directions, east become a west, west become a east. There is a no change in north and south. If you go for diagonal, northeast is always become northwest. Why? Because northeast constant, east become west. Same way, southeast is represented as southwest. This is the basic information. If you know, you can able to answer these questions in a less time. So this is exactly left side. Left become a right side. Eliminate B. Elimination is the best approach, guys. Eliminate B. So if you eliminate B, you can eliminate D also. Why? Because it is always pointing towards east. Now it reflects towards west. So eliminate D. Eliminate eliminate D. So we have two options, A or C. So look into that. We require two arrows. So you can't see these two arrows here. And that arrow is important. Arrow is pointing in which direction? North, east. Now how northeast is projected? Northwest. That's why C eliminated. A is the correct answer. Don't look into the entire picture. Just observe the elements. That's enough. Next, select the correct alternate to indicate that arrangement. The following words are logically and meaningfully ordered. So we have Karnataka, Bangalore, Asia, India, world. There is no subsectional cutoff, I think so. They will consider only oral cutoff now. No need to worry about that. But you have to maintain good score. We have a huge competition for Accenture examination. You have to maintain good score. There is no subsectional cutoff. You have to score more on each and every section, which is going to help you in your like selection process. So maintain good score in all the sections. See here, Karnataka, Bangalore. So Bangalore is a part of Karnataka. Karnataka is a part of India. So this is Bangalore, this is Karnataka, this is India. India is a part of Asia, and Asia is a part of world. Sorry. Now according to that answer, 2, 1, 4, 3, 5. D is the suitable answer. It's very good, madam. Like Venkata, Venkat, Divya, Viyashi. Here the last question. This is for you guys. Try to solve this question and post your answer in the comment section. See, based on your colleges, now currently they consider the off campuses, but if the reputed university or reputed any colleges in future, they will come for the on campuses also. And go and meet your placement people to get more information about our on campuses. There are different parameters they will consider for on campuses. So go and meet your TPO, means concerned authorities. Definitely you will get the information about on campuses or off campuses. If they won't come for on campuses, you have to apply for off campus. So they already completed most of the slots in July and August. Now maybe tomorrow onwards again they will go with the remaining slots also. According to my sources, on campuses will start on either September first week or second week. So that's it. I hope you enjoy this session. Don't forget to subscribe and share this information with your friends and follow us in the Instagram and Telegram also. So that's it from today's session. Until the next session, have a nice day and good night.